my lady told you that the circumstances of this freezing should be the last restrictive option available.
The applicant lives in Kilifi. All the properties, the church and all the other properties are in Kilifi. And if for some reason someone did not like the Shanzu court, then the nearest court would have been around Kilifi or even Mombasa. Your Honor, therefore, going to Nairobi was...
Your Honor, that particular court in Milimani Chief Magistrate Court is under the supervisory jurisdiction of the High Court in Milimani. They have two options: to appeal from that decision or to review that decision.
There is no prima facie evidence adduced before you that those accounts that have been frozen belonging to the applicant are used in running of a school, running of a church, payment of workers. And that is factual evidence that needs to be adduced.
Which every account has a specific entity that is being closed. And very many issues. The first evidence was about somebody's missing organs to create an aura that our client has taken organs and sold them. This must come to an end.
The affidavits that have been filed, the submissions that have been made this afternoon, and give my decision in respect of the two applications on Monday, the 15th of May. Now, for the avoidance of doubt, I've ordered as follows in the interim: that prayer C of the petitioner's notice of motion dated 3rd of May 2023 be and is hereby granted pending the determination of that application. So the rest of the interim prayers will be, they are declined for now. I'll rule on them on the 15th of
I will be coming at the tail end of the submissions from my... Yes. Yes.
My lady brought before Shanzu law courts in miscellaneous applications.
Use anything, you can only